Good luck to all of you bettors. Gates open, that up and racing. We have Don Jaime draws for your lead. Oroquieta moving up down on the inside. Then comes Cheerleader. King of Natu is by the rail. Then followed by Lucky Day Boss. General, while Apo Mystery is trailing the group as they round at the last 600. Don Jaime being chased now on the outside by Cheerleader. Oroquieta is racing in third. Boss General now racing in fourth. King of Natu drops back in fifth. Apo Mystery and Lucky Day as they turn for home. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Cheerleader Don Jaime is by the rail. Oroquieta racing in between runners with the last 150 more to run. Don Jaime still leading the field, followed now by Oroquieta. Cheerleader is on the outside. And finally at the finish line, it's Don Jaime. Oroquieta, Cheerleader, Boss General, Apo Mystery. Then comes number 1, King of Natu and Lucky Day.